The play and talk, aka the domino effect.
Back in the days, slaves used to be in the South and they used to go to the North and buy their freedom, like literally pay a fee for them to be free. Mm-hmm. Apply that principle today. You only sign a certain contract to play for a certain while or give them ownership of your talent for a certain amount of time.
Yes.
For a certain amount of money.
Right.
Sometimes we even sell our talents by selling their masters or selling their publishing, which means I'm selling my talent, I'm selling my work for a certain amount of money, so I could survive and live a certain life and maybe reinvest in something else. It's the same concept. Just like slavery was chattel slavery, which is more so cattle slavery, where they breeded you like an animal, like they put things around your neck.
Word.
They literally treated you like a cattle.
Yeah.
And then that turned into sharecropping, where it's like, okay, we ain't gonna treat you like a slave, but you're gonna work like a slave, but we're giving you a place to stay and we're giving you food to eat, and in return you work on this land. But eventually, after a certain amount of years, you could go about your business.
Very wise.
And mind you, there's still people living like that today who still sharecropping. But then we apply it to now. What's now? Who owns the buildings now? Who owns the farms now? Who owns that? Okay, so we gotta work to pay them.